How to restore your old photos just for free. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore your old photos for free. So the very first step you can do is launch the Google Play Store on your device, and on the top search bar you can simply tap for Up Photo AI Photo Enhancer. So it is totally AI and totally free. So install the following app, and after installing the following app, what you can do is when you just add any photos and you want to create a new photo out of the old photo, just tap on the photo and then it will enhance your photo quality with AI, and just tap on save option and your new photo will be saved just like that. Here are other many options like smoothing and other as well. You can enhance your photos, you can make your photos new, and other many features as well. Do install this very app and check if it works or not. So this is it. I hope you liked the video. Do try the following app and see if it works or not. So if you like the video, then please do hit on the like and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.